Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Today we are going to talk about car sharing applications. We are going to talk about its development and the benefits if you have your own car sharing application. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that what car sharing applications really are. So basically, car sharing applications are a platform which allow their users to share or they rent their cars for a short period of time. So here the demand of car sharing applications is growing rapidly because of urbanization, traffic congestions and environment concerns. And here the popular players are Zoom, Rave and Ola Share, which are leading the whole market. And here you can also start your own application. Right now the market size is worth 4,200 crores and has a 1.5 million users, and by 2028 it is expected to grow even bigger, reaching 10,000 crores in value and having 5 million users. That's 20 to 25% growth rate every year. So here you can see that such a huge image of car sharing applications is going to come, and they are generating a huge amount of revenue. The owners of these kind of applications are generating a lots and lots of revenue. So if you want to start now, then this is the right time, because if you don't start right now, then you are going to lag behind and your competitors are going to exceed. Now there are several benefits of having your own car sharing application. Let me share you some of them. First is increased revenue. So car sharing applications allows and helps the vehicle owners to generate more revenue by renting out their cars. And here they can make money from various sources like rental fees, mileage charges and even benefits provided by the application. And here the business owners can even increase their revenue by increasing the fleet and increasing the number of vehicles. So here they are even going to generate more income and more revenue from your application, which makes your application the best for each and every user. Second is reduced car maintenance costs. So here with a car sharing application, the maintenance charges are divided among the users, making it easier and cost efficient for the owner of the vehicle. Here charges like fuel, repairs, replacement parts are shared among the users so that the owner, the main owner of the vehicle or the car, can maintain the overall vehicle efficiently without overspending on it. Third is higher vehicle utilization. So when you have a car sharing application, the owners of a specific vehicle can see that their vehicle, their car is used more, is on the road more, and very less it is inactive, which means it is sided and it is not in use. So here the utilization of vehicle increases, and this also means that the owner is going to generate more revenue. So this makes your application to stand out in the whole market, and here your application is going to be great for your all the users, maybe about the owners, maybe about the users who are going to buy the car, because here you are going to provide each and everything to your users. Next is data driven insights. So when you have your own application, you have a proper data. You know how your users use the vehicle, you know what your users want, you know each and everything, maybe about the owners of vehicle, maybe about the users of vehicle. You know each and every data insight, how they like, what they like, how they use the vehicle, what type of vehicles they like, what type of vehicles they have used earlier and what they want to share. So here you get each and every data which you can use and make your application even more better, so that you can generate a more amount of revenue from your own application. Last is competitive advantage. So here if you already have a car rental business, then if we compare from a normal car rental business and if we have a car sharing application, then you are going to have the competitive advantage. You are going to have each and everything. You have the data, you have each and everything your users want, you know what your users want, what they don't want. Here you have the record of each and everything. You have different options of vehicles available on your application, and here you are also going to generate and you're going to connect with more customers, because you have your own application and you can also do promotional strategies or any other thing to increase your business. So you are going to have a traditional advantage because here you have your own application. So now you know that if you have your own car sharing application, then how it is going to benefit you, benefit your users, the owners, and each and every one. So here if you have a car sharing application, you are going to benefit many people including yourself, and you are going to generate a huge amount of revenue. So if you seriously want to build a successful application, you can call us directly. Our contact number is given in the description box, because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you also want to do it, you can call us directly. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.